Good morning, which is actually evening. Um, this is my first greenhouse. It's probably, I'm guessing, a week or two away from being finished because I'm trying to do it myself. I got some help to put up the back and get the sides secured. I designed it specifically, just like my last one, I designed it specifically for this area. Now this area, at least my yard, has almost constant wind. Generally coming from the northwest or the southwest, or directly from the south sometimes. But in any case, high winds, and this is a lean-to greenhouse, so I didn't want it banging into the siding, which is already trashed. So I have a couple of things that that will hopefully work, and like all of my other projects, this is a learning project. So right down here there are blocks of wood that are set right against the block wall. So the shifting, hopefully there will be no shifting down at the base. It's got the same thing over there. And then I put this is a frame around the window that will eventually be open, but there's a frame around the window, and then there is a 2x4 frame on the other side matching up with the frame around the window. Now the idea with that is that if we do get extremely high winds and this thing does shift, it will be banging against the frame around the window where there are 2x4s all the way around, rather than banging into the siding. So next thing, these posts, there are 3 posts here that are set into cement, and these posts here as well are set into cement, and that is what is actually holding the frame of the greenhouse. Right now there's nothing, there's no foundation down here, but we have 3 posts here that are set into the ground, and they should hold that frame away from the wall as well. There are a couple more things that I need to do. I need at least 1 more post in this space on both sides, and the doors will come later. I'll work on those later. And then I need to put a cross beam all the way across the top, and which means double beams down the sides, and then I need to put the roof beams in. But for now, my next project is that top roof beam and the glazing on this front wall. And there is a reason why I want to do the glazing on the front wall now, and that is because when I did my last greenhouse, my first greenhouse actually, it was very difficult to get the greenhouse, or more difficult, let's put it that way, to get the glazing in underneath the roof overhang. So there are those. Hopefully I will be able to get at least these posts and the top done tomorrow. If I can get the glazing on the front started, that would be great as well. And then I'm just taking it a step at a time until we can get my first greenhouse up. I will talk with you later.